Why do women commonly experience recurrent urinary tract infection? Hello, I'm Dr. Aparna Rajesh Bhatt, Professor and Unit Chief in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, KMC Hospital, Attawar. Today, I will be providing certain insights regarding urinary tract infection that is commonly seen in women. It might be either in the adolescent group or in the reproductive group or postmenopausal group. So why is recurrent UTI a big issue? The most common cause, and all the more why women experience more frequent urinary tract infection compared to men. The reason might be multiple. The most common reason being anatomical factors that might contribute to the occurrence of recurrent urinary tract infection. The short urethra, which the females have, and its close proximity to the vagina and to the anal canal is one of the reasons why the bacteria and other organisms can enter the urinary tract and cause recurrent urinary tract infection. The other causes might be the contraceptive methods that are commonly followed in women. It might be certain diaphragms or spermicidal agents which have been used, which are kept inside the vagina, which can alter the normal vaginal flora, and it also can be one of the reasons why women experience recurrent urinary tract infection. The other causes might be hormonal fluctuations that can be seen either during adolescence or commonly during the perimenopausal age group and also during postmenopausal age group, where the hormone levels tend to decrease. That is, estrogen tends to decrease, and this can cause thinning of the vagina and the urethral lining and predisposes a woman for recurrent urinary tract infection. And one more habit that is commonly seen, especially in it might be adolescents or working women, is that they tend to hold urine for a long period of time. So it might be because of either difficulty in accessing the washroom, or it might be because of uncomfortable to use the washroom. So because of this, they tend to reduce their water intake and also tend to hold urine for a prolonged period of time. Dehydration is said to be one of the causes for occurrence of urinary tract infection, and holding the urine for a prolonged period of time is one more reason that predisposes a woman for recurrent urinary tract infection. And also one more cause is said that during sexual intercourse, the organisms might be pushed from the vagina or from the anus into the urethra, and this may also lead to urinary tract infection. The other causes being if the woman is immunocompromised, as it might be, she might be a diabetic, she might be having a kidney stone, so all these causes, or she might be on immunocompromised drugs. So all these drugs can alter or decrease the immunity of the woman and predispose her for recurrent urinary tract infection. Thank you.